You think you know birds? Think again. We see them every day, hopping around, chirping away. But these feathery little dinosaurs are hiding some seriously strange secrets. Forget everything you thought you knew, because we're about to dive deep into the world of our avian neighbors and uncover the most bizarre, mind-blowing facts that will make you look at that pigeon on your windowsill completely differently. From birds that see in superhero vision to ones that can literally poison you, get ready to have your mind ruffled. So, let's start with a bird you probably see all the time, the humble pigeon. You might think of them as simple city dwellers, but these birds are secretly geniuses. Scientists have discovered that pigeons can recognize individual human faces. That's right, that one pigeon you shooed away last week. It probably remembers you. Studies. They've shown they can pick out specific people from photographs, even if those people change their clothes. So next time you're mean to a pigeon, just know that it might hold a grudge. And not just that, they've been taught to distinguish between paintings by Monet and Picasso. That pigeon has better art taste than most of us. It's an incredible feat of intelligence packed into a tiny, feathered brain. But their brain power isn't the only superpower birds are hiding. Let's talk about vision. We humans see the world in a rainbow of colors, right? Well, birds see that rainbow and then some. Many birds have the ability to see ultraviolet light, a spectrum of light completely invisible to our eyes. What does this mean? It means the world looks completely different to them. A flower that looks plain yellow to us might have intricate UV patterns that guide a bird straight to the nectar. A bird that appears dull to us could be shimmering with dazzling ultraviolet colors to a potential mate. It's like they're living in a secret, glowing world that we're completely oblivious to. They can even see the UV trails left by their prey's urine. It's a real-life superpower, giving them an evolutionary edge we can only dream of. Now, let's get really weird. Have you ever heard of the hoatzin? This bird, found in the swamps of South America, is basically a living fossil. It's so unique, it has its own family. The chicks of the hoatzin have a feature straight out of Jurassic Park, claws on their wings. That's right, 2 functional claws on each wing. If a chick falls from its nest into the water below, which is a common hazard in its swampy home, can use these claws to climb back up the tree to safety. It looks like a tiny, feathered lizard-bird hybrid. As they grow older, these claws disappear. And if that wasn't weird enough, their digestive system is more like a cow's than a bird's. They have a special chamber to ferment the leaves they eat, which gives them a distinctly manure-like smell. It's even earned them the nickname stink bird, a prehistoric, stinky, climbing bird. Nature is wild. Speaking of wild, let's venture to New Guinea, home to one of the world's very few poisonous birds, the hooded pitahui. You heard me correctly? A poisonous bird. Hey, this beautiful, brightly colored orange and black bird looks harmless. But its feathers and skin are laced with a powerful neurotoxin, the same kind found in poison dart frogs. The birds get this toxin from the beetles they eat. Handling this bird can cause numbness and tingling, and it's a potent defense against predators like snakes or hawks. Local people in New Guinea have known about its toxicity for centuries, and they are careful to avoid it. Imagine being a predator, taking a bite out of what looks like a tasty meal, only to get a mouthful of poison. It's a shocking and effective survival strategy that makes the pitahui a true standout in the avian world. Don't touch this bird! From poison to performance art, let's meet the master of mimicry, the lyrebird. Found in Australia, this bird is the undisputed king of impressions. Its vocal abilities are simply staggering. It can perfectly imitate the calls of at least 20 other bird species. But it doesn't stop there. The lyrebird can also mimic sounds from its environment with eerie accuracy. We're talking chainsaws, camera shutters, car alarms, and even the sounds of video games. The male lyrebird creates an elaborate stage on the forest floor. He'll dance and fan his spectacular tail feathers while unleashing this torrent of copied noises. It's one of nature's greatest shows. There are videos online of lyrebirds mimicking construction sites. If you closed your eyes, you'd swear you were standing next to a building project, not a bird. It's a level of vocal learning and mimicry that is almost unparalleled in the animal kingdom. And finally, we can't talk about bird brains without crowning the kings. Ravens. These large black birds are part of the corvid family. Which is widely considered the most intelligent group of birds. Their intelligence is often compared to that of a 7-year-old human child. Ravens can solve complex, multi-step puzzles to get food. They've been observed using tools, like using sticks, to pry things open. But here's where it gets truly fascinating. They seem to plan for the future. In experiments, ravens have shown the ability to select a tool they will need later, and even barter for it, showing a clear understanding of future events. This is a level of cognitive ability once thought to be exclusively human. They also hold grudges, remember human faces that have wronged them, and communicate these threats to other ravens. They play, they grieve, they have complex social structures. They are far more than just big crows. They are one of the most intelligent non-human animals on the planet. So there you have it. From pigeons, who are secret art critics, to birds with X-ray vision. Prehistoric climbing chicks, poisonous feathers, master mimics, and feathered geniuses who can plan for the future. Birds are so much more than just the background singers of our daily lives. They are complex, fascinating, and deeply, deeply weird creatures. Each one is a little marvel of evolution, packed with secrets and surprises. The next time you see a bird, take a closer look. You never know what strange abilities it might be hiding. It's a reminder that our world is filled with incredible wonders. You just have to know where to look. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today and exploring the wonderfully weird world of birds. If you enjoy getting into the nitty-gritty of the strange and fascinating, you're in the right place. We love diving into topics that are oddly specific. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next one.